In a previously published video tutorial, I showed you how to create curved elements by connecting two profiles in edit mode using the Bridge Edge Loops tool and the number of cuts parameter. The Bridge Edge Loops operator can also be used on more than two profiles or sections at once. In these cases, the operator will connect the geometries based on their proximity to each other. Please note that you can select a sequence of edges by clicking on an edge while holding down the Alt key. To make a multiple selection of loops or sequences of edges, press Shift and Alt while clicking on the various edges. Connections should be made between geometries of the same object in edit mode and can involve sections and profiles with different number of vertices. This allows you to transition between different shapes. This technique is known in other software as lofting or skinning, because it can be used not only for connections between elements but also for creating coverings. You can use this technique to create, for example, the hull of a ship if you have the profiles available. I recommend looking for model ship plans, as they often provide hull sections to which you can then apply strips to create the planking. You can then trace those profiles onto a single geometry in edit mode, use the plans to space them correctly, and use Bridge to obtain an initial version of the hull.